Drone in a Box Infrastructure for Public Safety, on the next Public Safety Drone Review, Tuesday, March 5th. Register here for the upcoming episode of the Public Safety Drone Review on Tuesday, March 5th at 3 p.m. EST. This webcast, co-sponsored by Drone Life and Drone Responders, is set to deliver insights into drone technology advancements for fire and police departments. Hosted by Miriam McNabb, editor of Drone Life, and Tim Martin, a public safety officer and director of UAV training at the Regional Training Center. This episode will feature the latest developments in drones for public safety. This month's broadcast features a live demonstration from Mass Maritime Academy, showcasing Ondas Holdings Airobotics drone in a box Optimus system, which is utilized for public safety in Dubai. For details on Ondas Holdings and their autonomous drone solutions, visit Ondas Holdings and Airobotics. The Optimus system is an automated, industrial-grade drone solution designed to operate without human intervention. It's known for its ability to launch, fly, and land automatically, making it a valuable asset for various applications, including public safety, monitoring, and inspection tasks. The system's high degree of automation and reliability enhances operational efficiency and safety, offering a glimpse into the future of autonomous drone operations in challenging environments. This segment of the webcast will offer viewers a closer look at how such technologies are reshaping the landscape of public safety and beyond. The episode will also welcome Susan Roberts, Ondas VP of Strategy and Business Development, as a guest. Roberts has a broad background in strategy, innovation, and business development. She is the founder and CEO of the 1182 Group, has served as the commercial head of innovation for Panasonic Aviation, and founded UTM company Airxos. Ensure your participation by registering for the webcast here. The episode is an opportunity to learn about the latest in drone technology and its application in public safety scenarios. We hope to see you there.